Hello everybody, hope we're all keeping well. Sorry I've been absent. I've just been so busy with my other job that I've not been able to come live. I know I did a quick live on the 1st just to let you know about our customer bundles that we've got out, and since then I've not really had time to do a live, and I'm sorry, but yeah, needs must. So what I've come back on is, if you caught my live, that's great. If you didn't, don't panic, because obviously I'm going to talk to you about it, but I'm not going to go into a lot of detail on what the bundles are. So when this video is finished, when I obviously upload it, in the comment put customer bundle, or bundle, it's easier, just put bundle, and I will get back to you and I can let you know what the bundles are for this month, because they have got a saving of 33 to 35% discount on them. So it all depends on what ones you go for. So obviously I've got a package that came today, which this is one of the bundles in here that I've got. Now obviously I'm going to reveal that. I've got my website up, and as you can see, they are the 6 bundles. I'm not going to zoom in because there's just too much there for you to take in, but obviously each of them comes with a purple bag depending on which of the 6 you go for. And obviously put a keyword, price, and obviously I can get into your inbox and let you know what the prices are, because they all vary in different prices. So this is one that I've actually bought for myself. And straight away, there is the bag. Now this bag comes with all of the bundles this month. And if you love the purple, and obviously you've got, I know it's reversed, you've got unique written across there, and you've got a stud to do it up. But what's good about it as well, you've also got a zip. So if you use it as a clutch bag, you do the zip up, you know, if you drop it, nothing's going to fall out, so you're not going to embarrass yourself with things that's going to fall out that you don't really want to know you're carrying in your bag. So that's good. Brilliant. Also it comes so you can use it with a chain. Now I have seen my sponsor showing me this chain on her live, and I think it's great if you like chains. And obviously look at the fastenings, they're like little padlocks. Isn't that great? So obviously if you want to use it as an over shoulder bag, then obviously just try and clip this on without busting a nail. Right. Actually it's very easy. Actually I didn't think it was going to be that easy, so I'll just show you. It is so easy to press and hook on, and then there you've got, obviously don't do like me and get the chain all scrunched up, and there is the chain. So obviously you can take the chain on and off, and then inside, move the packaging, that is the bag inside. Look at that lovely lined bag, so you can use it for your evening outs, special occasions, obviously a meal out with your partner, so you can use it as a clutch bag, or as obviously with or without the chain. So that's a lovely bag. This is with every single bundle, and I have, with this particular bundle, I have got a choice of 6 of these additional palettes, because this is, I got number 6 because this is the one that I was missing out of my collection that I wanted. So I'm going to open this up, and that, without blinding you with the thing, that is the colours in number 6 palette. Look at them. And this is called the warm palette, but look how gorgeous that is. So that is the palette. And then obviously you've got a choice of foundation. You have got either the stick foundation or you've got the liquid foundation. So it's entirely up to you which one you choose. So I've chosen the liquid foundation, so I'm not going to open that one because obviously I've shown you it's there. That's my one. Just running out, so I've got another one. Then you've got a choice of either the Epic Mascara, or you've got a choice of a 4D mascara. So you've got a choice between that one or that one. So you've got a choice of mascaras, that also in the kit. And then obviously you've got a choice of eyeliner pencil that also comes in the bundle. And you've also got a choice of a splash lipstick. Now this one I've got is called Sentimental, which I'm going to open. Obviously you can see me open it. And that is Sentimental. And I'm just going to untwist it just to show you. And obviously pull it out. Look at that colour. Isn't that gorgeous? So that is the bundle that I have got for myself. So if you would like to know what bundle this is that I've just shown you, obviously drop a comment down below saying bundle, and obviously I will get back into the inbox. And that's basically the bundles. Obviously I did touch on Friday as well about the presenters kits. They are back up to full price, but what you get is the value still the same of the kits, even though the prices have gone back up. But you do get, and I managed to find the colours, so if you did watch my live, these are the colours that you get in this 4-quad palette. And also you get our blending brush, minus my hair of course. No, you'll get brand new ones. So these are what you will get in your presenter kits if you come and join me this month. So thank you for watching. If you found this video really good and you want to please share, please sprinkle me around Facebook or Instagram or wherever you've seen this video, please do. And obviously if you want to know about the kit, drop the keyword kit. If you want to know about the bundles, drop the word bundle. And I'll get back to you. And thank you for tuning in. And you all have a great evening. Bye.